about 5-10 minutes have passed. I'm just coming back, having a look. There's a few little bits that come onto mind from my brush. Well, if you use a wet brush and just touch and wipe your brush, you can take these off at this stage without any damage. Just to be careful. So it's drying quite nicely, this, and hopefully, I know it's very fast, but I'm pretty sure this is finished. So again, we'll wait for it to dry. I'll come back in 5 minutes, show you how mine's drying. Just one thing I'm going to do while it's drying, there's a few hard edges, so I'm just going to soften them with clean water. Just take a few more bits out. But so it's still drying, it's cockled like crazy, but that's all going to straighten out if we leave it alone. So I'll come back in about another 10 minutes and we'll see where we're up to. So another 10 minutes has passed. You can see it's still cockled, yours is probably the same, but some parts are really dried nicely. You know where we put the clean water in and it's bleached out? This is what gives it the texture and the movement. So I'm still really happy with this. I'm still pretty sure this is on the way to being finished. You can put some darker greens in if you like. Let's just see. Put that in a bit. Just using what I've got on my plate really. Just into these areas. So yeah, it's finished. I'm just really going to wait for that now to dry properly, flatten out. I'll give it a quick rub over with my putty rubber, and I'm more than happy with that. I hope you're the same. But this just shows you how simple it can be. You know, how long has that taken to paint? Well under an hour. And we've used 4 colours: Payne's Grey, Lemon Yellow, Ultramarine, and Alizarin Crimson. That's it. So this is the most basic one that we're going to paint in the flower range, but you know, if you want to do any other flowers in the same way, just relax, look at the flower. If that was daisies, for instance, like we're going to be doing next, you might put a little bit more detail in, which we'll show you shortly, but generally we've got an impression. Who wouldn't be happy with that for a present, you know, birthday present? Who wouldn't be happy with that? You know, if you sign it with your name, just put it into a cheap frame, and there you go. What a beautiful present for somebody. So again, I'm going to let that dry totally now, and I'll show you how mine ends up. See you soon. So there we have it, it's totally dry. You see it's flattened out again. We have our poppies. Just give it a quick clean with your putty rubber. Totally freehand. Everybody's probably got something completely different, but you know, you do it a couple of 3 times and you're bound to get a nice picture for a present for somebody. And this edge, when we take it off there and put it in a frame, you'll see how nice it looks. It's really interesting, the edge, the textures. We've only used 4 colours: yellow, blue, red and Payne's Grey. I don't know whether you've got these nice textures on your stamen, but yeah, I'm really happy with that. So basically what I need to do now is just sign it. And think who I can give it to. So in the summing up of the course, you'll see it fully framed up. So it's time now to move on to the next stage, which is tulips, a couple of tulips. See you soon.